I got part of a washing machine I'm gonna tear apart and recover the valuable metals from. Alright, it looks like there's a 1/4-inch screw in there holding this scrubber down in there. I wasn't really for sure, so I think if I take that out of there I can get this off of here. Alright, this internal tub, there's a aluminum washer on there. You're going to have to take a grinder and cut it. You can't get a Sawzall in there unless you got the special tool. I had a heck of a time getting it out of there. I just cut it, split the nut open and broke it off of there. Then you can pull this internal tub out of here. Same thing with this other tub. There's an aluminum nut there that will not turn. I had to take the grinder and grind a slot in it to break it, to unscrew it. Yeah, there's an Allen set screw on there. I'm going to take that loose first. Maybe it'll turn. I doubt it. I doubt it's going to turn. Aluminum gets pretty seized up. It's a real pain. Now I got that off of there. There's oil in this gearbox. There's no drain plug. Just broke a hole in the casing and I'm going to drain some of that oil out of there. Otherwise it's going to make a big ass mess. The bad thing about washing machines and dryers is there's not much copper in them. The motors even have aluminum windings. So I think it's worth it. The time invested, not really, but I recycle some. By taking it apart, it saves me a lot of room because it's too bulky. Plus aluminum is about 5 times more worth than what steel is, so if you save up enough of it, it's worth it. But by the hourly wage, no, it's not really worth it. here's the valuable metals we recovered from the washing machine. 12 pounds of aluminum. Small amount of brass. Stainless. Small piece of copper. About 100 pounds of steel.